Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HDR metadata workflow for YouTube using Resolve, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Import your HDR footage into the media pool. Select the clips you want to analyze. Right-click on the selected clips and choose Clip Attributes. In the Clip Attributes window, locate the color space settings. Set the color space to HDR10 or the appropriate HDR standard for your footage. Now, navigate to the Color workspace by clicking on the Color tab. In the Color workspace, select the first clip in your timeline. In the upper right corner, click on the Color panel to open the color grading options. Check the HDR tab within the Color panel. Ensure the HDR metadata settings are correctly configured. Adjust parameters such as max mastering display luminance if necessary. Review the min and max content light levels. Make any needed adjustments to the clip for proper HDR grading. Once satisfied, move on to the next clip and repeat the adjustment process. Continue until all clips in your timeline are verified and graded. Next, navigate to the Deliver tab to export your project. In the render settings, choose the appropriate format for HDR. Make sure to select a codec that supports HDR, such as ProRes or DNxHR. Ensure the color space is set to match your project settings. Check the box for Export as HDR to include HDR metadata in your final file. Click on Add to Render Queue and start the render process. Once the export is complete, locate the final HDR file on your computer. To verify the HDR metadata, use a tool like Media Info. Open Media Info and load your exported file. Check the video properties for HDR information, focusing on the color space and luminance levels. Confirm that the metadata reflects your grading choices. Lastly, upload the HDR file to your YouTube channel for viewing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.